Couple quick announcements. First, homework 6 and 7. So now that the Project 3 deadline's been pushed back a little bit, there's no room for 3 more homeworks. Now that feels bad because I promised you 7 homeworks and I don't want you to be sad having only 6. So rather than canceling a homework, what we're going to do is the Friday of our week, we are going to have 2 homeworks due. But instead of dropping only the lowest homework, we'll now drop your lowest 2 homeworks. So the overall effect is that you can choose your own adventure for homework 6 or 7, either one you want to do. And by adding this extra drop, it's a chance for you to make up homeworks you may have missed out on or done poorly on. And so because there's only 5 homeworks and they're supposed to be 60 points, we'll just scale everything up by the appropriate scaling factor, which is 12/10 or 6/5. Project 3. So last thing I want to mention before we get started is that this project is going to be about the closest to what you might do at your first job or at an internship because you're going to be working with real data sets and principally we're going to give you a big old code base that you're going to have to look at, you're going to have to work with it, you're going to have to improve on it, and you're also going to have to read a lot of documentation about how that code base works. So it's something to get used to. Be aware it's going to feel like a lot of reading, but the programming isn't so super crazy. It's much smaller than Project 2. And because Project 3 involves so many moving parts, the first part of lab this week is just getting the project to compile. And so if your TA is unable to help get it compiling, be nice to them. We'll get information from you. We'll make sure to add your specific case to the Project 3 guide. Okay, so that's all we got for announcements. So let's get started.